Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these jack-o'-lantern stands that I got from Dollar Tree. I start by removing the stand from one of them and painting one side of that with fired clay chalk paint, and that's by Folkart. And then the one that has the stand on it, I paint one side of that fully as well. And then I do paint the top portion of the opposite side a little bit. And I trim up the bottom of the one I had removed the stand just so it'll lay flush when I glue it together. And then go ahead and paint the stems with burnt umber acrylic paint. The one without the stand, on the side I did not paint, I add Mod Podge covering that side completely, and then place down a piece of black felt. I make sure that is all smoothed out and attached, and I set that aside to dry. I don't want to use my heat tool because it will melt the felt. The one with the stand, I tape off the jack-o'-lantern and paint the stand with black chalk paint. After the felt is fully attached, I go around and trim up the excess. And then move back on to the one with the stand, and I'm hot gluing some nautical rope that I got from Dollar Tree all the way around the side that's not fully painted. And I make sure to leave it open where that stem is. Next, I'm taking these fairy lights that I got from Amazon, and I'm making sure that the battery pack is out, and then hot gluing the rest of it within the nautical rope. So I'm hot gluing it right against it, just in a couple spots around so it stays into place around the edge. And I do that until it's completely filled in with all of the rest of the strand of lights. I then add hot glue all the way around on that rope and the stand, and then place down the other one with the felt on it. So the painted side is facing down when I'm gluing it, and then hot glue the battery pack to the back of the felt. And then I kind of like it just like this. I decided to add some of these black flowers I got from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure which I like better. I think I might like it without the flowers, but that opening is there so you can put some florals in there if you decide to make one. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.